Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, December the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 3-star Sudoku. So three puzzles are left. The binary, Jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested. It's the 4 stars Sudoku. 4-star Sudoku number 9698. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24. Yes, the 4-star Sudoku in the additional has always 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. We have here 3 threes. We have here 3 fours. We have here 2 3 fives, 3 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 3 eights, and 2 nines. It's divided. It's divided. Can I start with a number? That's the question. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, the only 2 places left of the 3 should be here. Or there we have 3 in the middle row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have 7 and 8 in the last column, so no 7 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the first row. So the row between. Second row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8, 8. 8, 8. Cannot continue with 8 now. Need to wait. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7. Should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column, the only 2 places left with a 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7. I cannot continue with the 7 now. Well, not true. 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left of 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 in the column next, no 7 there. Only place left of 7 should be there. 3, 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Let me see. 4 and 1. 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square. One was the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2, the 6, 2, the 6. We have a 6 in this row. Last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes at there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between only 2 places left, 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the first column, 6 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only place left, 6 should be there. 6, 6. Okay. 6, 6. Need a 6 here. Need 6 there. 1 and then 9. Well. Need a 4 there. Need a 4. Yep. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So we have a 4 in one of those two boxes in this column, 4A in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place level 4 is should be there. These 3 missing numbers in the middle column are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 3 there. Come on, come on. Need a 9. Well. 5 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 marks. So the 2 in the second column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 2 in the last row. No 2 there, 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between now only 2 place level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 2, need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Cannot continue with the 2. How about 1 and a 9? 1, 9 and 5. We need a 5 here. In this column, we need a 5. Here can we 5? We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. Here can we 5? We have a 5 in this row, so no 5. This is the only place left for the 5 in this column. Should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 5, 5. 1 and a 9. Okay, 1 and a 9. 1, 9 and need a 3. 3 should be here. Need a 3 there. Need a 5 here. Come on. 1, 9 and 3. 1, 1. Well, in this big square, we need a 1. We have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 1 in these two boxes. So 1 box left with 1 in this big square. Should be there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the last row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. 1 box left now in this row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing here. These 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 7. Okay. 1 and the 9. Come on. No 9. Need a 9 here. This should be the 2. Okay, in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this column. First column, no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 2 and a 9 in this row, so no 2 and a 9 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes are left in this big square. For the 2 and a 9 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. So need a 9 here. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, need a 2 here. 1, 1, need a 1 here. 1, need a 1 here. Come on. This is taking too long. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, now only place level 6 should be there. 6 in this row, first row, 6 in the second row, third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places level 6, could be here, could be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places level 6, could be here, could be there. Well, four in the last column, 4 in the column next on that column. Only 3 places level 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there, so the 4 could be here. Could be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column, so the first column. The only 3 places level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 could be here, could be there. Come on. 2, 9, 3 and a 5. 2, 9, 3 and a 5. Okay, 2. Well, in this row, we have 4 missing numbers. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 3, 5, 9. 2, 3, 5, 9. 2, 3, 5, 9. 2, 3, 5, 9. 2, 3, 5, 9. And this box cannot be a 3, can be a 5, can be a 9. So this box should be a 2 then. 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 2, 3, 5, 9. So these 2 boxes should be 3 and the 5. Because we have a 2 and a 9 already. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. Now. Come on. 1 and a 3. We have a 3 now in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 1 goes there. 1, 1. 3, 3. Come on. Need an 8 here. Need a 4. 9, 9. Need a 9 here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places level 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 box left now in the last column for number 1. 1, 2, 3. Well, we have a 1 and a 3 in the last third row, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and a 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 2. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so in the first row, the only place level 2 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now. In this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes, elevator 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We cannot fill this yet. 1 and 8. Need to wait. 4, 5, 7. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here, 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. 1 box left now in this big square for number 3. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place level 4 should be there. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and 8, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the middle row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 40 minutes. quicker than the previous Sudoku. I cannot believe this. It's a 4-star Sudoku. No, 3 stars. No, 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. But we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.